What are you doing, Diesel? Are you in here snuggling Carly? Looking pretty ornery right now. Hi, Carly. Hi. Are you waking up from a nap? Oh, you gonna get smiles? Diesel, stop licking her. Get down. You can't be nice, you're gonna be down. Uh-oh, she's gonna cry now. Look what you did. Stop. She doesn't want kisses right now. You stinker. Diesel. Be good. You gotta be nice to the baby. That's a silly face. Diesel?